Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making a bird collage. Begin with a template of bird shapes and some magazine pages. Find some patterns or colors in the magazine pages to use for the light, medium, and dark bird shapes. Also find some bits of magazine to use for the beak and the legs. Glue the magazine pieces down on the corresponding shapes. It's okay if they overlap the edges. When you're done, flip over your paper and cut out the shapes. Now it's time to glue the pieces down to your construction paper. Glue down the body first. You can use a white circle sticker to make an eye. If you would like to make a winter scene, you can rip a piece of white construction paper and glue that down as a snowy background. I'm making a branch out of a brown pattern that I found in a magazine. Cut off any excess and your bird collage is done.